मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
जब आप स्पीकिंग की बात करते हो, whenever you are talking about speaking, so first you have to think 4 things are most important for you. The first thing is change your mindset. Change your mindset. What people think about you, it is not important. What you think about yourself, this is most important. क्या लोग तुम्हारे बारे में सोचते हैं ये महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, क्या तुम अपने बारे में सोचते हो ये सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। जिस दिन तुमने अपने बारे में सोचना शुरू किया, the day when you started thinking about yourself, the moment comes change will be start. बदलाव जारी हो जाएगा। लेकिन हम क्या होता है, हम दूसरों के बारे में सोचते हैं, we think about others, and that is why we are not confident. We have knowledge, we have everything, but lack of confidence, we are not able to speak before anybody. This is the problem before all. It was not with you, it was with me also. When I was, especially I tell you, when I was in graduation, I was very comfortable to speak something in Hindi before anybody. But when English came in my mind, my God, a master stroke came in my mind. How would I speak? But what happened with me? One of my friends who was a very good speaker of English speaking, that guy has said to me, if you want to be a good speaker, first you have to do what? You have to work very hard. So I said, work very hard, I am working. Well, no. Work hard means what? You should have, do a smart work. A smart work means what? 3 things are most important. Every day, don't mug up 30 words, don't mug up 20 words. Mug up only 10 words. But 10 words should be utilized in personality. When you mug up the word, when you utilize the word, that word will make you confident. I have mugged up 10 words. That 10 words will be your own. Suppose I tell you, at your home, 5 lakhs rupees has been kept. But if you are going to market, a single coin is not in your pocket and you want to have something or eat something. Can you? No. No, because you don't have money. The same thing is that you have taken a handsome, actually, a very good handset in your hand. And what happens with you? Handset is with you. Google is with you. But from Google you haven't taken knowledge. So what is the importance of this? What is the importance of this? Can you tell me? Nothing. No matter how much costly mobile you have kept, no matter how much fancy dress you have dressed, this is most important matter. If you are educated, if you are going before educated personality, if you are representing yourself in a very good manner, the people will salute you. Otherwise, this is not important for you all. Speaking is a very easy thing. I tell you, only confidence is most important. For confidence, what you have to do? You have to do drill. Drill means what? Every day I get practice to you all, Hindi to English, English to Hindi. Either vocab is there, either sentence is there. Why I do? The reason is I make your brain strong. No, I can speak. I can speak before anybody. This is the concept before it. You people have here, if I speak something, it might be I make mistake, people will laugh at me. Am I right or wrong? Yes. This is the problem, na? Yes, people will laugh at me, so what will happen with me? I have said you, don't think about others, always think about yourself. What is happening with you? If you are a successful personality, people will with you. If you are not successful personality, people is not with you. Like, 3 things are most important. Suppose somebody is a speaker here. If somebody has spoken a very good line, for that you should have a big hand. But you people keep your hand in this direction. My God, why I will clap? So if you are not going to clap for somebody, nobody is going to clap for you. Nobody is going to clap for you. First you give, after that you get. Without giving, you cannot get. Is it right? First you give. If you give time in this coaching, after that you are getting knowledge to some extent. If you are not giving time to me, can you get knowledge to some extent? Not to the great extent you can get knowledge. So for that what you have to do, you have to work very hard. So speaking is a very easy. Suppose you people have decided, sir has given 2 tasks. The first fruits has been given by him and vegetables has been given by him. I have to mug up the words, and since today I have to decide I will not speak these words in Hindi because I know Hindi. If before somebody you say